Okay guys, so here's part 3 of the 10.5 notes. We're once again continuing with independent and dependent events. So example 4a says, in a BMX meet, each heat consists of 8 competitors who are randomly assigned lanes from 1 to 8. What is the probability that a racer will draw lane 8 in the 3 heats in which the racer participates? Okay, so remember there is only one racer and there's a total of 8 lanes. So this is the first heat. Now, when we multiply, because we are thinking the first heat and the second heat and the third heat, so we are multiplying here. Now, if we got lane 8 in the first heat, will that really affect us on what lane we're going to get in the second heat? Not really, okay? It's randomly assigned lanes. So once again, there's one racer out of 8. Now that we've done the first and second heats, will those events affect what lane the racer is going to be in the third heat? Not really, okay? So all of this is going to be independent events. And now all we have to do is multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. So we do 8 times 8 times 8, that gives us 512. And remember, you can either write your answer as a simplified fraction, which we have here, or you can write your answer as a fraction rounded to 4 decimal places. So we'll probably round up to 2. There we go. Okay, let's go and do part B here. So a bowl contains 36 green grapes and 14 purple grapes. So you randomly choose a grape, eat it, and randomly choose another grape. Find the probability that both grapes are green. So let's figure out if this is independent or dependent. Well, let's first, it says find the probability that both grapes are green. Okay, so here, remember we're doing probability, we need to know the total amount of grapes here. So if we do 36 plus 14, so we do 36 plus 14, there's going to be 50 total, okay? So when you pick the first green grape, which there's 36 total, okay, you have a chance of 36 out of 50 to pick the green. Now, it says that you take that green grape and you eat it. So do we replace this grape? No. So this is when we talk about without replacement. So this is a dependent event, okay? So that means our value is going to change when we pick the next grape. So I'm going to multiply. So remember, with our independent and dependence for this section, it's all multiplication. Now, if we did not replace the grape, how many total grapes are left in the bowl? Well, there's 49. Now, we already ate one green grape, so how many green grapes are left in the bowl? There's 35. Okay, now let's go ahead. We're going to plug this into our calculator. So we do 36 times 35 in the numerator. We get 1,260. And then we do 50 times 49 in our denominator, so we get 2,450. Don't forget to write your final answer either as a simplified fraction or as a decimal. So our simplified fraction is 18 out of 35, or about 0.5143. Okay, make sure you watch part 4 of the 10.5 notes.